Today was pretty well break even for me. There was something really interesting that happened to me. I made money in my sleep. I woke up this morning and I had 2 fills of my Russell 2000 futures, and that got filled in my sleep. So I made about 62 bucks. Let's take a look at my positions. I placed 3 trades today, and I want to go over how Tesla did today as well. All right, so you can see here at 11:57 last night, I had my orders closed for the Russell 2000. It cost me 70 bucks, but I placed the trade and I ended up netting about 62 bucks on that. Then I decided to try out soybean futures. So I had some extra cash because that order closed for me. I also had the E-mini S&P 500 put spread fill at 50% profit. So I had some cash sitting, decided to go ahead and try out the soybean futures. So I'll be keeping you updated on that. Collected $706 there. Of course, I'm going for a 50% return. So far so good. That would turn out to be a decent trade today. I think it's up like 28 bucks in my account right now. So not a bad trade for the day. And then we have my 30-20-10 strategy here with the E-mini S&P 500 futures. I've got a 30 days to expiration and 20 delta put spread. It's $10 wide. I place that every day at the $30 days to expiration. It creates a long ladder all the way to expiration. So right now, the way it's working is I'm collecting about $70 in premium a day, and I just wait for that to go to expiration, and then I'll open it back up again. So I'm kind of creating a chain here of premium collecting. And then so what my plan is, as I make enough money to open up another contract, then I'll start doing 2 contracts at a time, and then 3 contracts at a time. As long as it keeps working, I'm far enough out of the money, I should be able to collect a decent amount of premium here very quickly with this strategy. But I'll give a full update on that on Saturday. All right, so we can see with Tesla here, we're green overall in the week. We're still floating within this bull flag, and I think at some point it's going to break. I'm not sure exactly when. You know, we did have some good news with the Fed yesterday. We still have interest rates where they are, which Tesla selling electric vehicles are sensitive to the interest rates. But we still have the earnings coming up in April. So I think that we're not going to see any moves until after we get past this catalyst of earnings. But in the meantime, we're still floating around here. And we haven't quite touched it, but I think we're going to have a good support level around this area. Again, I'm looking for it to go up to around $180 to $200. That's the price that it was at whenever I was selling my put spreads, and I can collect my money and move on. In the meantime, I'm just holding on, letting the time decay work for my advantage, and just going from there. Let's take a look at the daily chart here and get a closer look. We have a bottom here. We've broken through the 8 EMA moving average here, the yellow line, and it's touching that. So we'll see where we're at. We can see the bid and ask up here is above the last price, so that's always a good sign. The price has gone up since the market closed. We'll just keep an eye on it. Again, this is my biggest loss in my portfolio right now, so I want to give it due attention. And we are seeing a reversal here, but we are seeing the supply line pretty heavy right here. There's a lot of action. There's a lot of people that might want to sell up here, but we need to get past this level, get past some of these moving averages, and get into this window where we have an opportunity here where the price can jump. We might not see that, like I said, until earnings. We'll just have to wait and see. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. And if you aren't a subscriber, you should definitely be one. Follow me on my journey to a 50% return by the end of this year. That's my goal. I'm a new options trader. I really don't know what my return can be. I'm delving into different kind of strategies. I'm doing put spreads, strangles. I'm trying out futures, SPX, different equities that I might be interested in. So follow me along on my journey and subscribe. Also, if there's something that you want me to talk about or go over, leave a comment down below on what you're interested in seeing. I'd be more than happy to try to help you out. We'll see you on the next video.